And we've got Sidwala Cave, is in Mpumalanga, then this one here. The cave, it's 125 meters in length, it's 54 meters wide, and then 60 meters deep. It's got a volume of 46,000 cubic meters. Right, so down here with the constant temperature 16 degrees Celsius. This temperature fill now doesn't change. In summer, winter, always like this because of the type of rock in. It's the dolomite rock. It keeps the temperature constant. It's also hot to breathe in here because of the humidity is high. Right, so if you look this side, you'll see the dark brown. That's the dolomite rock. And that's the original rock. And the white color, all the formations. This is limestone and calcite. So that's your limestone. Then if you look in between the formations, you will see there is a bit of orange in between. That the red-orange you see is the iron. That iron is the rust. When the water seeps through, it picks up all the iron, and that's iron oxide. Right, so these formations, they are formed by water. The ones hanging from the top, these are stalactites, and the ones coming from the bottom, we call them stalagmites. When it rains outside, that water seeps through the ground. It takes 3 to 4 months before the water drips in here. Then it picks up calcium carbonate. When that water drips, the lime deposited there, and that's how these things form. When the same drop of water falls to the ground, then it forms these bottom ones. So every time there is a stalactite on the top, there will be always a stalagmite at the bottom. They'll grow towards each other until they join together, like that one. And that is known as a pillar or a column. And as soon as they join, they stop growing in length, they'll be just getting bigger on the sides. These formations, they grow approximately 1 centimeter every 100 years. So all these things you see in here, there are thousands and millions of years. Then we have this one. How does that one look like to you?
Jellyfish.
Mushroom, jellyfish. I know the children ice cream cone. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
All right, so we call that one the mushroom formation. That mushroom is between 45 and 55,000 years old. And that one is just the changing of climates, like over the years. The bottom part of the mushroom, good rainy season for a couple of thousand years. So lots of water came streaming down, the stalagmites, they started to grow from the bottom. As that rain decreases, the mushroom forms a cone on top. So the top part of the mushroom, there was less rains. That mushroom is 2 meters tall, and that formation is still growing. Then we have the flagstone. This one forms when the water runs down on the cave wall. The lime stays behind the wall. After 2,000 years, that thing builds up, and there you see it looks like a frozen waterfall. As you can see that one. Okay, now we're going to take a walk. We're going all the way to the other side. Please mind your steps, take your time. Okay, we're going this way.